Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Messenger on the Windows. So let's get started. How you can install that. So let's see how we can do that. Simply, we have to click on this Windows button, and after clicking on that, so what we have to do simply we have to open the Microsoft Store here. So as you can see, I'm going to click on this here, and after opening this, we will get all the apps here. So we have to search whatever we want. For example, if you want to search for the Messenger, you have to search for the Messenger here. So as you can see, I'm going to click on the Messenger, and after clicking on that, we have to wait a few seconds, and as you can see now the Messenger is here, which is free. If you want to install this, you can also do that. Now simply what we have to do, we just have to click on the get button, and after that, as you can see, the get button is here, and after clicking on this, it will be installed, and after that we will be able to use this. So in this way you can download the Messenger on the Windows. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.